So welcome back again, guys. So here is this one info, and if you're new to my channel, can you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more future updates. Okay, so there have been multiple requests on how to create this Telecel Unlimited. Okay, but I can't ignore it, so I have to do something about it. Though I'm not actually going to teach everything like vividly. Okay, I'm just going to give you a summary because I have almost all the this thing, all the procedures on my channel. Okay, if you go through my videos, you get them, and after I'll put the links to this video in the description. Okay, so first of all, the things that you need, I think you need the UDP protocol this in account. Okay, if you have your own VPS too, and you have installed the UDP HTTP custom UDP this thing, scripts, you can just install. You can just create the account and use to create the Telecel Unlimited file. Okay, and also if you want to use maybe public servers, like you go to SSH Ocean, okay, or you use the hacker.com, or use the Max SSH and all those this in public sites, use them to can create. Okay, so we can use this particular one, and I have the tutorial already, the hacker.com. Okay, you can use this one to, their servers are very strong. Okay, I have an account already. I have an account here. Okay, their servers are very strong and fast, just that their validation date is too small, it's too short, which is I think 3 days or so. Okay, so after creating the account, this is how it looks like. When you create account on their web page, this is how it appears. Okay, so you just come to this part, protocols. We click on the protocols, then here they've integrated everything already. Okay, so we have the host name. Okay, then we have the port. This is their port. Their port is unlike the usual one, which is the one hyphen 65535. Okay, but this one, their own is different. So their own, I think, is what is 30,000, right? 30,000 hyphen 40,000. Then the this will come, the username, then the password. Okay, so in the top here, this they are this thing, the IP address for the host name, okay, or the domain. Okay, so if you try connecting and it's not going through, you can just change the host name and use the IP address. Okay, so after everything, like I said, they've added everything already here for you. Where is the host name, the port, the username, and the password. So you just need to click on copy. Okay, click on copy in order to copy it onto your phone's clipboard. Okay, so after copying it onto your phone's clipboard, you go to your the HTTP custom. You go there. So in the app, you just come to the top right corner, the three dots over there. You clear what config or reset to use factory this thing. Then you paste everything here like this. The one that you copy from the website, you come and paste it here. Then you check what you check this one UDP custom. Then make sure this one too is checked. Enable DNS. Okay. Then you go to your dialer. Go to your dialer. Then here you have to activate your pay as you go. Okay, the pay as you go thing is star 700 hash. Okay, star 700 hash. Then you select what number 7. Okay, the 7 is what pay as you go. Okay, so you just select it, choose that option. Okay, then you send. Then you say one, so one allow pay as you go. Click or you choose one to allow pay as you go. So I've already subscribed to it. Then after subscribing to the pay as you go, because with the tele, so if you don't have data, the network bar will disappear. So in order to bring it back, for you to be able to connect to the internet, you have to buy at least maybe, and you have to buy airtime for at least like 10 pesos or 50 pesos. for you to be able to connect to the VPN, which is the HTTP custom. Okay, so you just dial 110 star 110 hash. Okay, then you come to buy airtime, which is what, three, select three, then buy airtime, my phone, that's myself. Then here you enter the amount, 10 pesos, 0.1. If you want 0.1 for 10 pesos, if you want 50 pesos to 0.5. Okay, after then what, you click on send, then you type in your pin. Okay, so after doing all this, the network bar will come. When it comes, when it comes, then you just click on what, connect. After clicking on connect, because you have a little airtime on it, it will connect. Okay, but later on when the airtime finishes, it will go off. So when it goes off, like, it will start, this red thing will come like not connecting, not connecting. So you just have to turn on what, the airplane mode, and turn it off till it connects. Okay, so in my next video I'll show you the fastest way to connect it. Okay, so kindly stay tuned to my channel for more updates. This one is very simple. Like I said, I'm just briefing it. I'm just giving you a summary of how everything works. So I'll put the other tutorial, the other videos, in order to guide you how to create it yourself. Okay, thank you very much.